Alright, welcome back everyone. It's Albert Lebel once again. I got a challenge lock set up in the vise called Dirty Old Man by the one and only Dark Arts Lockpicking. And I chose this one. I've been dying to try it. Haven't tried it yet, but the recent package I got from Funky Monkey had this one in there. And I was stoked because, and I did double check in my book, and I don't think that I've ever had one yet from, picked one yet from Dark Arts Lockpicking. So that's badass. I love trying different people's stuff, and I'm so stoked it's in there. Of course, it is on a freaking Lockwood, so I don't know how much luck we're going to have with this one, but we'll give it a shot. There's the bitting on the key. It doesn't look too nasty, but I'll tell you what, I know even stock Lockwoods, like these ones I got recently from Funky Monkey. This one, I did this one out of the package, but it took me probably 20 minutes, I'd say. Tough lock to pick. So I'm guessing this one's going to be tough, no matter what the bitting looks like. Okay, another thing I wanted to say too real quick before I get started on this, I just wanted to give a big thank you. Just thank you to everybody, man, to the Locksport community. I have so much fun doing this, stabbing these locks. And got a lot of people sending me stuff to pick on, and I don't know, I enjoy it so much, and I just really want to let you know how much I appreciate it. So really, thank you. I really do appreciate it. I enjoy the heck out of this hobby here, and basically, I mean, y'all know, without y'all support, I'm just one dude in Oklahoma that's you know, I'd run out of locks from Ace Hardware. So really, it's just fabulous. This Locksport community is just freaking fantastic. I dig it. All right, so let's see what we got here on this dirty old man. I wonder if he named it after me. Well, let's not get into that. All right, top of the keyway, hopefully. Yep. Let's try this one, because I remember the last one I did from Funky Monkey, I couldn't pick it clockwise and I had to go counter. Let's start this one counter, and if I can't, we'll go the other way. Oh, I didn't even show the key working, did I? Hey? Key works. Turns both ways. Alright, now let's give it a shot. And I did, like I said, I haven't tried picking it yet, but I did look at the keyway, and I'm guessing I'll probably be using these two here. I got the Peterson flat top, I think it's called a short hook maybe, and then I got the gem. So I'm figuring between those two we'll probably get somewhere. Again, counterclockwise. It's got this little edge I'm going to try to use. Try to use anything you can, right? Except for rapid entry. Not on here. Not on this channel, baby. Alright, let's see what we got. Okay, we already got a binder in like 1, 2, I want to say it's 4. Yep, got a little baby click. Can't even get under 5. Oof, okay, got a click. These Lockwoods though, man, they're freaking tough. Alright, coming back out. Feeling for something. Alright, now I'm not feeling squat. Oh, got a little click off of 1, I think. 2, 3. I think 4 wants a little more. Yep, okay, we got a little bit of a turn. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh. Might have ran out of pickings. Alright, so now I'm going to the gem so we can go a little bit higher. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we got something back here. I don't know if it wants to move though. Yep. Okay. Ooh, counter rotation though. A lot of it. Okay, we set it, I think. Oof, that was scary. Alright. Uh-oh. Now we drop that. Oh, there we go. I think I reset it. Okay. Let's see. 5, 4, 3. I'm not sure. I'm not really getting no feedback. 2, 3. Okay, we just went in a little deeper. I'll take it. 4. Uh-oh. Drop that one in the back again. Maybe that's the gatekeeper or something. Counter rotation. I'm going to probably drop everything I got set. Might have to do it though. Way back. Okay, I went for it anyways. Now let's see if we can get that back. Alright. 1. Do that whole game again. 2. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, we got it. We got that sucker. Okay. Let's get the camera backed out a little bit here. Beautiful. Nice and tricky. Nice and tricky. Just the way we like them, right? Alright. Where are we at? About here-ish. Get a pin and tray and decide that, huh? About right here. Good enough. Alright. Bada boom, bada bang. So we're very much open. Fair enough. We got a key so we can lock her back up and get this funky clip off the back here. That's a trip because that looks like the same clip that was on that last lock too. I think it's a conspiracy, man. They're trying to get me, man. Alright. Got the clip off. Get a key in there. And hopefully, when I get done with this, hopefully, if I remember, my memory's not that great, I'll let y'all know where I'm at on packages going out. So you got an idea. Let's see, where's the key pins? Right here. Okay. Whew. All right, a 5-pinner. All occupied, all needed pickings, fair to say. All right. Looks like a standard in 1. Definitely not standard in 2. Really nice serrated in 2. Really nicely done. Yeah. Beautiful work. Wow. That's a sharp SOB right there in number 4. Yeah, buddy. We'll get a close-up on all that. Oh, sorry. Let me get some eyeballs on here. Get my pokey. We do have some modifications here. We've got standard in 1, undercut in 2, crazy spiral, I don't know, in 3, 4, I don't know if 4 is quite undercut, maybe lightly undercut in 4, and then another one of them spirals in 5. Now these, when I say spirals, it's kind of like threading, but only if they were like really wide threads. Let me see if I can get that on camera somehow. Because I mean, I don't think we're going to get in there. Maybe it's not showing them. Because they're really far apart. Really neat. What a cool idea. Anything to throw off the feel when the picker is picking the lock. Great idea. Really cool. Different. I like different. Alright. Shut up, Al. Get to rambling. Alright. Going upstairs. Going upstairs. I do like that though. That's what it's all about, man. Trying to come up with something different, you know? Or at least maybe something we've seen before, but your own twist on it. Ooh, doubled up spring. That's what I'm talking about. Looks like a spool in two. Another doubled up spring in two. And three is a crazy looking, I don't know if it's a two-piece. Let me set this down. Nope, it's not a two-piece. But I'll tell you what, man, those are freaking finely, really finely serrated. I'm trying to make them move. They don't move. Let's see if we can get a close-up on that bad boy. Fine serrations, man. Like razor blade fine. I make some really good serrated pins, I think, and these are finer. If that's a word, finer. And a single spring. Trying to play head games, huh? And another finely serrated T-pin. That last one was like that too. I didn't mention that. It was like a serrated T-pin combobulation. And last but not least, ooh, oh yeah, another really sharp top on that thing right there, number 5. And the spring is a single. Beautiful, just beautiful. Really had fun with that one. Mods, negative. Don't feel any mods, don't see any mods to the Bible. Alright. Badass. Okay, this was Dirty Old Man from Dark Arts Lockpicking. Dark Arts Lockpicking. Alright. Looks good enough. I finally put some graphite on that swivel for the tripod. Now it actually moves around good for me. Alright. Bada boom, bada bing. Key pin, standard in 1. Well, yeah, I guess it's a standard. It's kind of got this reduced, just the very top is. Maybe that's a Lockwood thing. I'm not positive. Number 2, obviously a multi... You see, you can call that a multi-serrated or multi-spooled, because I think a wide serration becomes a spool at some point, and I don't know the exact point. Jeez, sorry. So yeah, and then same thing in number 3. I mean, these are wide serrations, I guess. Number 4, spool with a very sharp top. Again, like I'd call that a triple spool. In number 5, and then drivers got a standard in 1, a spool in number 2 with a piece of lint. The lint is free. Sharp end on it. And this one here, that's what I was saying, is super like razor blade sharp serrations in that thing, and it's also T-pinned. Same with this one, a serrated T-pin in number 4. And then again, the spool with a super sharp end on it in number 5. And we had a doubled spring in 1, 2, and 1 and 2, and the rest of these are single springs. Badass. Dirty Old Man from Dark Arts Lockpicking. Fantastico. Okay, let me swing the camera around. Back over at the, we'll just use the backdrop. Let me see. I said I would mention boxes I got going out. I don't know if you can see this. Let's see. This is my fancy little board I keep track of people on. I got probably by hopefully this week I'll have these first 3 out. Bobby Keys, because I got to send him some stuff from Funky Monkey. Also Bears Back got something, I think a core from Funky Monkey. And I'm going to send a box to Trekmaster 30 hopefully this week. These 3. Next week, because I got to get some stuff still for Funky Monkey before I send that box out, and it's going to be a big one. So that won't go out until next week, hopefully Monday of next week. So, and Jason Carlson too. I'm going to try to do those by next week. So that's where I'm at with getting boxes out. Just wanted to let y'all know. And again, like I said at the beginning of the video, y'all, I appreciate you very much. This Locksport community is just freaking, I don't even have words for it, man. I love it. It's just fantastic. So thank you all very much. Big Al signing out.